only forever.
Hey, check it. Hey, check it. Put the place up.
Hi everyone, this is David Hoffman of Davidsbeenhere in my hometown of Miami, Florida. I'm getting a new tattoo. I've been getting tattoos since I was 23. I'm doing basically one sleeve. So this is what I'm doing, right? Currently I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tattoos, but I still have a lot of empty space. As you can see, I really want to finish my sleeve like right away. The only thing preventing me from doing it is, besides the cost, it's more like figuring out what I really want. You know, I just don't want to get a tattoo to get a tattoo. I go through ideas. This one that I'm getting is the Hungarian seal. If you guys don't know, my father is Hungarian. I have a big tattoo, a Colosseum right here, and I got that because my mom's Italian. I love Italy. I also love Hungary. I've been less to Hungary just because I have less family there, but I still have a really good connection with my roots there. Yeah, I've been thinking about what to get from Hungary, so I've been looking at the Hungarian seal for a long time. I think I've been planning this tattoo for 2 years now, so I finally decided to pull the trigger. I'm getting it today, like right on this empty space right there. Let's go meet up with my tattoo artist. His name's Daniel. He's from Brazil, Brasileiro. Let's go. You got more?
No, yeah, this one actually.
That one? Oh wow, look at that, dude. So you ready for Avengers or what?
Oh yeah.
It doesn't really hurt. Getting a tattoo is more just like a great feeling. Once you're done, it feels amazing. And if you've never gotten a tattoo, I don't recommend getting one, because if you do get one, you're gonna get a second one and a third one and a fourth one. That's sort of how it goes with tattoos. You get a little hooked to it. So there's multiple steps in getting a tattoo. So first step is obviously finding the design you like, whatever the tattoo is. Then you gotta print it, you know, obviously in black and white or in color, and then make a stencil. Here he's doing a stencil. So basically the stencil, he'll put it on my body, and then over that he does a tattoo. He's doing the stencil the old-fashioned way. They also have a machine now, it's a few $1,000s, where they just print the stencil. You know, once he's done with the stencil, he'll shave my arm. We'll place it in. If we like it, we leave it there. If not, he erases it from my arm and clean it off, and then put it in another spot and see, you know, what is the best spot for it. So I'm putting it right here. Something like this. So this tattoo is the coat of arms of Hungary. It is the symbol of Hungary. It dates back to the Middle Ages. On top of it, you have the Holy Crown of Hungary. During communism times, the Soviets removed it, but then later in 1990, when Hungary became independent again, they made the symbol of their country. What do you think? I mean, is it right?
Yeah.
So here we go, stencil in. It's gonna look nice, dude. It's gonna look real. And just for And now here comes the pain.
Stencils on?
Needles in, ready to go. Yeah, I want it really bad, so. So what's the difference in those? One's super dark, and the next one's like lighter and lighter and lighter, right?
Yeah.
I was like waiting for it to like puncture.
Well,
There it is.
there it is.
It's only forever. Now we go shading, huh? We're done with that?
Now I'm gonna put more, a few dots, a couple lines to be done, and then start the shading.
So that's basically the outline. So he outlined a tattoo. Next is shading and making it look more realistic. Funny, people do this and they walk out like that.
Yeah, many people, yeah.
I'm not many people. So got the first part done. Outline looks awesome. Now we're gonna get the shading done. This is gonna be another hour at least, and it's gonna look more realistic like these. So it's a different tip, I guess.
Yeah, this is more for shading.
This is the part that stings. It really is the part that hurts the most, you know? I think because you're like going sideways and like around.
Yeah.
11 needles?
11.
11 needles. 1 and 3 the line work? Wow, I didn't know that. So we're done?
We're done. Just forever.
Just forever. Dude, it looks great. Oh my god, it hurts like hell right now. It's throbbing. It's so red right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so the tattoo is done. It came out amazing. Gotta thank my boy Danielle. And I'm gonna give you guys a few tips on what you need to do after you get your tattoo. So the first thing is you're gonna put saran wrap on your arm and a little bit of cream. Basically, this is an open wound right now. You do not want it to touch salt water. The sun should not touch the tattoo either. Germs, stuff like that, just don't want anything to touch it. If you work in an office, then you need to have it covered. But if you work from home, you definitely want to have this thing air drying all day long for the next 3 days. You know, basically when I get home now, I'm not gonna be moving around the next 3 days. I'm not gonna be shooting. I'm gonna be staying home, working from home, just leaving it air drying. And what happens is the more it's air drying, the faster it heals. The only time I'm gonna put saran wrap and aquifer on it is when I sleep, because I don't want to be moving around and then I scratch it. And that's another thing, you should never scratch your tattoo. The first 4 days are the big crucial moments for your tattoo. After that, it'll be healed and it'll be perfect. And as you can see, like right now, it's really red. And because obviously you opened the wound there. In about 4, 5, 6 days, that'll be all gone. And it'll be just like perfect, just like the rest of my other tattoos. Super happy about it. Magyar. Love Hungary, love you guys. So I hope you love this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel. This is only forever.